Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to connect to Nvidia. So, if you see this message when opening GeForce Experience or updating drivers, it usually means a network or service issue. Here's how to fix it step by step. So start with the basics. Make sure that your connection is stable. Simply restart your Wi-Fi or switch to a wired internet connection. Try opening a website to confirm you're online before reopening GeForce Experience. So you can open any browser and try to open YouTube and see if YouTube is opening or not. So if this works, try opening GeForce again. Now press Windows plus R on your keyboard and type services.msc. Hit enter and scroll down to Nvidia Network Service Container. So make sure you scroll down and search for Nvidia Network Service Container or Nvidia Display Container LS. So this is Nvidia Display Container LS. Now, after finding this, right click and click Restart. You can select refresh or restart and this refreshes the background services responsible for connectivity. So make sure you do this with both Nvidia Display Container LS and Nvidia Local System Container. Just right click and click on restart or refresh. Now after you do this, you can clear Nvidia cache and temporary files. So you can press Ctrl Shift Escape and simply right click and click on End Task after all the Nvidia tasks that will be going on. So just right click and click on End Task. Now that can clear the cache and temporary files. Now you can open Control Panel. So go to the search bar and type in Control Panel, hit enter. Now choose Programs. Here click on Uninstall a program and search for Nvidia GeForce Experience. Now right click and click on Uninstall. Then what you'll have to simply do is open a browser and search for Nvidia GeForce Experience. Now click on Download Nvidia app for gamers. After installing it, click on Download now, reinstall the application and that will surely fix your problem. Now if the app still won't connect, simply go to the search bar and type in nvidia.com/drivers. Now hit enter and install them manually. This bypasses the GeForce Experience dependency altogether. So once everything works, re-enable your firewall and keep GeForce Experience updated to avoid future connection issues. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.